Good morning students. I hope you all are fine. Welcome back to today's GK class. Today we will start chapter number 3, The Big Bad Wolf. Students, by the name of this chapter, it is clear that it is all about wolf. Do you know what is wolf? Wolf is a wild animal, looks like a dog. But here, why this term big bad wolf is used? Because the wolf has been included in several stories and has most often been shown as a bad character. Hence, this term big bad wolf is used. Now, let's see some interesting facts about wolves. So, let's start. First one is, wolves belong to the dog family. Wolves belong to which family? Wolves belong to the dog family. Now, second one. The most common type of wolf is the grey wolf, which has grey and brown fur with a long bushy tail. What is the meaning of this bushy? Bushy means being thick. And which is the most common type of wolf? The most common type of wolf is the grey wolf. Now, third one. They have long snouts and pointed ears on top of their heads. What is the meaning of snouts? Snouts means the projecting nose and mouth of an animal. Now, fourth one. Wolves can be found all over the world, but they are most commonly found in the United States, Canada and Arctic Russia. Where they are most commonly found? They are most commonly found in the United States, Canada and Arctic Russia. Now, fifth one. Wolves are carnivorous. They mainly eat meat. What is carnivorous? Wolves are animals that eat other animals or an animal that eats meat. Now, sixth one. Wolves can run fast and don't get tired very easily. So, they can outrun anything that might be trying to chase them. What is the meaning of chase? Chase means run after. And what is the meaning of outrun? Outrun means to run faster than someone. Now, seventh one. Wolves live in groups called packs. A pack is a family of 7 to 8 wolves with a mom, dad and children. What is a group of wolves called? The group of wolves is called pack. Pack means group of wolves. Okay, now 8th one. A wolf's sense of smell is 100 times stronger than a human's. A wolf's sense of smell how many times stronger than a human's? A wolf's sense of smell is 100 times stronger than a human's. That means they can smell the things which are very far away from them. Now, next one. When a pack of wolves howls, it can be heard from very far away. What is the meaning of howl? Howl is a sound of wolf. Now, in some areas, grey wolves are classified as endangered. What is the meaning of endangered? Endangered means in danger of being harmed. Okay, which type of wolves are classified as endangered? Grey wolves are classified as endangered. Now we will move to our next chapter, chapter number 4, where watch. In this chapter, we will learn about words. Now, what we do is, some points have been given to us. We have to read the points and identify the words. So, look at the first bird. This bird is known for its broad and colorful beak. It eats mostly fruits and is the loudest creature of the Amazon rainforest. You can hear it as far away as half a kilometer. What is the name of this bird? This is toucan. This is toucan. What is the spelling of toucan? Toucan. Toucan. Okay, now next. This bird belongs to the parrot family. It has large red, yellow and blue colored feathers and can live for about 40 to 50 years. What is the name of this bird? This is scarlet macaw. And what is the spelling of scarlet macaw? S-C-A-R-L-E-T. Scarlet, M-A-C-A-W. Scarlet macaw. This bird is scarlet macaw. Scarlet macaw belongs to which family? Scarlet macaw belongs to the parrot family. Now move to third one. This eagle has the largest talons and can lift a prey weighing more than 7 kg. What is the name of this eagle? This is harpy eagle. This is harpy eagle. And what is the spelling of harpy eagle? H-A-R-P by harpy, E-A-G-L-E. Eagle. Harpy eagle. Which bird has the largest talons? Harpy eagle has the largest talons. Now next one. This bird can fly backwards. It eats about every 10 minutes. Sucking nectar twice its body weight every day. What is the name of this bird? You already heard about this bird. This bird is hummingbird. What is the spelling of hummingbird? H-U-M-M-I-N-G. Humming, B-I-R-D. Bird. Hummingbird. This is hummingbird. Which bird can fly backward? Hummingbird can fly backwards. And this is the smallest bird in the world. Now fifth one. This bird has a pouch on the underside of its beak. Its pouch acts as a fishing net and can be expanded to hold many fish at a time. This is pelican. And what is the spelling of pelican? P-E-L-I-C-A-N. Pelican. This is pelican. Which bird has a pouch on the underside of its beak? Pelican has a pouch on the underside of its beak. Now, sixth one. This bird migrates long distance. It flies from the Arctic region to the Antarctic region every year, covering a distance of more than 35,000 kilometers. Though it has webbed feet. What is the meaning of webbed feet? Webbed feet means toes connected by skin. It cannot swim. What is the name of this bird? This is Arctic tern. And what is the spelling of Arctic tern? A-R-C-T-I-C. Arctic, T-E-R and tern. Arctic tern. First word is toucan. T-O-U-C-A-N. Toucan. Second is scarlet macaw. S-C-A-R-L-E-T. Scarlet, M-A-C-A-W. Macaw. And third is harpy eagle. H-A-R-P-Y. Harpy, E-A-G-L-E. Eagle. And fourth is hummingbird. Humming, humming, BIRD, bird. Next is pelican, PELICAN, pelican. And last is Arctic tern, ARCTIC, Arctic, TERN, tern. Now completed your chapter number 3 and 4. So you have to complete both the chapters in your textbook itself. Thank you. Stay happy, stay safe.